Hello you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm about to cook some homemade chili on this cool fall morning day. I know it was cold when I got up, feel like it was 40 degrees. But anyway, I'm about to start to make my chili. I'm going to put it in a crock pot. So I'm about to get started, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my ground beef. So hold on. Okay, you guys. Here's some of the stuff that I'm finished use. Okay, let me go wash my hands so we can get started. Here's my ground beef. Let me get my black pepper. Oh, I see it. So how is your morning? Mine is going great so far. I got up this morning and I vacuumed and I cleaned the carpet upstairs with the carpet cleaner. Okay guys, so I'm going to let this ground beef cook down. And when it cook down, I will be back. Okay? So I can munch it up into small pieces. So while I can go wash these cans off and make sure everything out that I need. Okay, you guys, so pause. Okay, you guys. My ground beef is all done. Now I'm about to drain the oil, and I'm just going to add some no seasoning and a little slap your mama. Okay, so that's next. Okay, everything is all drained, you guys. Oh, this is the new one. Where's my one X? My other one's somewhere up in here, probably looking right at it. I had to stand on my tippy toe and do a lot. So I'm going to add my no salt Tony's. Okay, you guys, let me get my seasoning out. See, I'm standing on my tippy toes. Oh, I didn't know I had jasmine rice back here. here you go. This is the one that was already open. Okay, add a little of this in here. And a lot of onion powder. And give this a twirl. Okay. I'm going to put this on low. Okay. So, close this up. Now I'm about to start on my onion. You know you guys, I love onions. I got my coffee brewing over there. Is you guys doing them deals this weekend? I think Walmart, Amazon, Target. I'm waiting for Black Friday. You've been finding a lot of deals. I had looked last night, like, to try to preview. I did order a little something. I got some Walmart cash. Yeah, on 2 things that I ordered. Okay. Here's a little of my onions and my peppers. Okay. But I'm waiting for Black Friday. That's what I'm really waiting on. Okay. So, everything done. Now we're finna start with the crock pot, you guys. Okay, here's my crock pot. I got it on low, you guys. So let's get started. Okay. So you're gonna add a can of your diced tomatoes. Now you can get the kind with the peppers in there if you want. This is the second can. So I add 2 cans to mine. You go by the size of your family. And this is tomato sauce here. Okay. Now I'm going to add my kidneys beans, but before I add these, you guys, I like to rinse them off. So I'm going to take you over here, and I hope you can see. I pour it in here. And just take some cold water, and you rinse them off. So while the water is draining off of those beans, I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add, you can use ground turkey as well if you don't like the beef. Give it a stir. I'm going to throw these cans out. onions and peppers. That goes in. Give it a stir. And now I'm going to add my beans. Now I use 1 can of the red kidney beans. So you can use how many cans you like. Then I add some mild chili. Now I have made this with the hot and it came out really good. Really good, really good. Then just add a little water to this. I usually add like a half a pack of water. Give it a stir. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks. After I add me some more. This is my chili powder and my onion powder. And I just let this simmer, you guys, probably for, because the meat and everything done, it just basically letting the vegetables and the beans do its thing. And add like a couple of drops of hot sauce. Give it a stir. It's getting warm already. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks. And this is going to be my dinner for today. So let me show you how it looks. Can you guys see that in there? So that's my chili for this cool fall morning. So you guys, I'm going to let it do what it do. And I thank you guys for watching. And it smells so good already. And bye-bye for now.